OneHealthPort was founded in 2002 by some of the leading healthcare companies in the Pacific Northwest. We were created to solve problems around workflow and information exchange that crosses enterprise boundaries, because that's really the collaborative space. Along those lines, we operate a single sign-on security service, a provider directory service, an administrative simplification program, and in our capacity as the state's lead organization for health information exchange, we also operate an HIE. With state oversight and customer ownership, it's really important for us to deliver that HIE service at the lowest possible cost in a very safe and secure manner. And we're trying to move away from all the proprietary one-off connections in healthcare and really push the broad adoption of standards.
So Axway has provided OneHealthPort HIE with a solid value. The fact that initially we were looking for a way to get into the market quickly and start providing services for organizations trying to meet their requirements. One of the things was that we needed an infrastructure that could be deployed rapidly. The Axway Cloud Services and the B2BI system were the perfect match for us in being able to set up an operation and begin meeting our customer needs. As soon as we were stable, we started to grow transactions, and we had a process where we needed to be able to right-size the infrastructure to meet that growing need. The elasticity of the cloud environment and the B2BI solution was perfect for us in helping us meet those business requirements in a timely fashion. So OneHealthPort believes the future of healthcare communication will rely heavily on APIs. And for that reason, we've partnered with Axway on the API Gateway to start building transactions and help the community adopt those transactions. A good example of this is many of the large healthcare organizations have invested in electronic healthcare software that allows them to host an API and use standard transactions. What we're doing in the API Gateway is creating the pathway for the smaller organizations to use those APIs and leverage communicating between their system and these larger healthcare entities. So why should anybody care about APIs? Well, today when a patient goes for a visit at a practice, often the information about previous visits hasn't arrived yet. The use of APIs would allow the practice to get the information and evaluate it before the patient arrives, providing them with better care. We know web services and APIs have changed how we consume information in other industries. It's time for healthcare to step up and provide the same information for the consuming public.